Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I was asked by an Amazon seller to review a drone and I just needed to do an unboxing and post a video, so this is what I'm doing. Stay tuned for the unboxing and I'll be back. The drone looks pretty interesting. It was like $60, I want to say, on Amazon. I'll leave the link in my description box below so you can go check it out if you're interested. Yeah, I'm excited to play with it. So if you guys stayed for this video, I appreciate you. If you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. I usually talk about crafting things like card making, scrapbook, any type of paper crafts, inking, stamping, those kinds of things. So if you like those videos, hit the subscribe button, and for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!